Hello YouTube, I'm Tyler and you're watching another Fischler Moto video. This is a 2022 Honda cb500f. In today's video we'll be removing the stock standard end can and replacing it for this nice shiny aftermarket Delta end can and link pipe. Before we change the end can, let's start the bike up and see how it sounds as standard. To be able to do this job on your bike, you're going to need two 12mm spanners, one 5mm Allen key, some exhaust putty paste, one link pipe, one reducer, two link pipe clamps, one exhaust can clamp, and your new aftermarket exhaust can. Start off by removing the original end can. To do that, you want your two 12mm spanners, and you want to undo this bracket here, which is the exhaust clamp, and these two bolts up here what hold the end can to the hanger. Hold on to the hanger bolt though, as you'll need that for the new end can. Now it should just slide off. Now the original can is off the bike, I'm going to take the aftermarket end can, link pipe and clamps and loosely fit it all together, making sure to use some exhaust putty and paste at the ends to seal it all. But I'm not going to do the clamps up tight yet until it's on the bike in case it needs any adjustments. Now I've got it all assembled and some exhaust paste on it, I'm going to offer it up to the bike and see how it fits and if it needs any adjustment. Before you try to fit the end can, make sure you fit the reducer to the downpipe so that the link pipe then fits. Now just simply slide it all back together like the original came off. Now that's all assembled and done up tight, wipe off any excess exhaust paste. Well, that's the end can all swapped over now. One thing left to do, that's start it up and see how it sounds. That's everything finished and sound check done. I really like the way this new end can sounds on this bike, and hopefully my mate Dave, who owns the bike, does as well. Let me know what you think in the comments. Hopefully you found this video useful and enjoyed it. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. As always, thanks for watching and see you in the next video.